The "we can't complete this transaction right now" error typically occurs when attempting to make a transfer or payment through a digital platform. To resolve this issue, it is essential to understand the underlying causes. One common reason for this error is that the bank or credit card is not enabled for international transactions or instant transfers through certain apps. To address this, contacting the bank's customer service is often the most convenient solution. The phone number for the bank's customer service can usually be found on their website. By calling the bank, you can request that they enable international transactions on your card and allow transfers through the relevant app. Most banks can resolve this issue over the phone, provided you can verify your identity. If this is not possible, you may need to visit the bank's home branch to resolve the issue. Another potential cause of the error is an expired credit card. To check the status of your credit card, you can visit the website of the platform you are using, log into your account, and navigate to the payment methods section. From there, you can review the details of your associated banks and cards, including the expiry date, if the expiry date is no longer valid, or if the other details are incorrect. This may be the cause of the error. In this case, you can try updating your card information or linking a new card to your account. By clicking on the "Link a Card" option and filling in the required details, you can add a new card and potentially resolve the issue. If you have tried these steps and are still experiencing difficulties, you may want to try linking a new card to see if this resolves the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "we can't complete this transaction right now" error and successfully complete your transaction.